Hi everyone, my name is Angela Pfister and I'm with Ward White Sotheby's International Realty. I'm standing here in front of my newest listing, this fabulous townhouse and unit located at 11 Water's Edge in BRIELLE, New Jersey. I'd love to take you on a tour with me, so come on in. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 gas fireplaces. It also is just a bike ride to the beach and a very short distance to the beautiful town of Manasquan. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me today of this beautiful townhome. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Have a great day.